The questionable process of approving a new Hamilton County attorney is moving forward.
Well, the commission spent roughly an hour talking about Mayor Weston Wamp's appointment of Janie Varnell to take over Reuben Taylor's current seat, who has served as the county attorney since 1993. There's still a lot of concerns and questions. Grayson Gordon has more on how we got here and what to expect next.
County commissioners are questioning the process of bringing Janie Varnell forward for the county attorney position. A major concern being with the private meeting last Friday.
It's not about the person. It's about the process.
Some commissioners were emailed an invite to meet with Varnell last week. No public notice was given and it was closed to the public. Chairman Jeff Eversole says he was invited but was afraid of a Sunshine Law or Open Meetings Act violation.
The potential of a Sunshine Law violation was there. I'm glad it didn't happen, Commissioner Graham. But for me personally, I'm not going to put myself in a situation like that.
The dynamic of the get-together changed, and three commissioners, Gino Shipley, Lee Helton, and Joe Graham, each met with Varnell individually on Friday. Mayor Weston Wamp says he wanted to give commissioners the opportunity to speak with Varnell before her appointment, but there are regulations. State law says the county mayor is responsible for appointing members of the county boards, commission, and county department heads, and the county commission is left to vote for or against that candidate.
The county mayor appoints. The county commission approves or disapproves.
Reuben Taylor has been the county attorney since 1993, and his contract expires in June. Taylor has been in county government for more than 45 years. He said at Wednesday's meeting he was asked by members of the commission if he would consider extending his contract and says he would if commissioners wanted that. Mayor Wamp was unsuccessful in trying to prove Taylor's contract was invalid shortly after Wamp was elected into office in 2022. Wamp said then the county attorney should not be allowed to have a private practice outside of county affairs. Taylor is paid more than $190,000 annually. Varnell is a practicing attorney at Davis & Haas. Most of her work is criminal defense and representing law enforcement officers through union representatives, the Fraternal Order of Police, and the County Benevolent Association. Varnell is the daughter of former Chattanooga Police Chief Steve Parks. Mayor Wamp says a major reason he appointed her was her experience representing law enforcement. He says this is a big portion of the county attorney's job description.
That's a type of vetting that gives me great confidence. So many law enforcement officers have chosen her.
Commissioners will vote next week on two things: to approve Varnell to begin working for the county in January with Taylor still on contract and fully taking over the position in the summer, or to extend Taylor's contract past June. Varnell's proposed position would be as an employee, not on contract. She would not be able to practice outside of county affairs. Varnell was asked by the commission if she would be able to be unbiased when handling county affairs.
I actually have unfortunately had to bring suit against a number of counties and municipalities, and when that's happened, it's because the county or city attorney picked a side. And so I've seen that happen, and I know not to.
Taylor briefly addressed commissioners questioning the legality of Wamp's proposals.
The two resolutions that's presented before you are in violation of our contract. And ethically, I don't think I should say any more.
The commissioners say they plan to get legal advice from outside counsel before next week on what Taylor said. Reporting in Hamilton County, Grayson Gordon, Local 3 News.